Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here with eXp Realty, and I am in the community of Glacier Ridge. Yes, Glacier Ridge is finally more open to the public for the show homes and to see the lots and see the availability of what's going on in this community. Don't let the noise fool you. I know it's noisy now because they are on a full out just kind of hustle here to get things done in this community. But the show homes have started to open up here from the different builders. And today I want to take you through a special duplex home by Shane Homes called the Cascade. They also have another model called the Delta, which is just right beside it. But today we're going to look at the Cascade, which is over 1,600 square feet of living space in this nice community. Just a little bit about Glacier Ridge. This community does back on to a kind of farmland and a pasture land. On the other side is Nolan Hill and Sage Hill, which means a load of amenities for you and your family, such as Walmart, Supercenter, Costco up in Beacon Hill. Let's go take a look at the Shane Home duplex model called the Cascade. Again, 3 bedrooms upstairs, a nice bonus room, beautiful, stunning kitchen with tons of counter space for you to be able to cook and enjoy and entertain, as well as a detached garage if that's what you want to get. Nice size property for a duplex, and side entry on the duplex so that you can come in and make a legal suite if you want, or just have access to the basement directly. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at this model and let me know what you think in the comments, and let's get going. Welcome to the Cascade by Shane Homes here in Glacier Ridge, Northwest Calgary. This beautiful 1,644 square foot home has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It does have an open main floor layout, a foyer with a handy coat closet, and spacious front family room with large windows to allow in natural light. The rear kitchen does have a big window there to allow in the light into your ample counter space area and cooking area. It also features double stacked cabinets that stretch right to the ceiling and a large spacious walk-in pantry. Upstairs again you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms with a central flex room, and in that owner suite you do have the ensuite that is a 4-piece. To top it off, you can people watch in the morning or the evening on your large, spacious front porch. Please enjoy the tour, and I'll catch you at the end. Hope you like that tour of the duplex model here called the Cascade by Shane Homes in Glacier Ridge Northwest. Again, this community is brand new. They're starting to really sell things and starting to open up new show homes and things like that. If you want information about the availability for the Cascade and the other model of duplex here in Glacier Ridge by Shane Homes, please feel free to call, text, or email me, and I'd be happy to provide the lot map and the information for you in order to help you make your decision. These are wonderful options for families or single people, as you'll be able to have over 1,600 square feet of space. That's totally enjoyable, open floor plan. You have a nice little bonus room upstairs and a walk-in pantry, which is large, nice mud room, and a detached garage if you so choose. And not to mention, look at this stunning kitchen in this duplex. Lots of counter space so that you could entertain, cook, and enjoy. I hope you have a good day and a good week. And as always, I hope to catch you on the next video.